Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: container ID, admin rights, and where to place code on your site. Once done, open Google Tag Manager and copy the container snippet. Then, paste the snippet in the site header and body according to GTM instructions so tags load correctly. Make sure the Tag Assistant extension is installed in your browser, because you will use it immediately to check tag presence and initial firing. This saves time versus troubleshooting later. You now click Preview in GTM to enter debug mode, which lets you observe the data layer and tag behavior in real time. Once connected, navigate your site and perform the exact actions that should trigger tags, page loads, clicks, forms. Observe the debug panel, check variables, data layer pushes, and trigger conditions so you understand why a tag fired or did not. If a tag fails, inspect trigger logic and variable values. Often a mismatch in equals versus contains is the issue. You finish by publishing the container when tests pass in preview, because unpublished changes won't run for general users. Once published, reload the site without preview and use Tag Assistant and the Browser Network panel to confirm tags fire on live pages. Make sure events appear in analytics in 24-48 hours for end-to-end validation. If things go wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: check whether data layer pushes occur before the GTM snippet loads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.